Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Temu.com account. To log into Temu.com website, the first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. I'm gonna open up Microsoft Edge. You can open up any other web browsers like Google Chrome or Safari. Once you open up a web browser, go to the search box and type in Temu.com and search. This will now take you to the official website for Temu. From the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on the Sign In/Register button. This will now bring you a pop-up where you can sign into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet for Temu, simply go ahead and enter an email address or phone number to get started with the sign-up process. To log into your existing account, make sure to enter the email that is associated with your account you are trying to sign into. Once you type in your email, click on the Continue button. You can also continue with other ways by choosing the Google option, Facebook option, Apple ID, or the X option over here at the bottom. To continue with email, simply click on the Continue after typing in your credential and then type in your password for your Temu account on the next page. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password for Temu. After filling in your credential, click Sign In and enter the verification code that you'll receive on your email. Open up your email inbox on a new tab and you will receive an email from Temu. Click it open and copy the code. Get back to the Temu website and paste in the code in the text box in order to verify your account and log into your account. And that's how you can easily sign into your Temu.com account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.